look up.
Look over back there.
Auroras occur when charged particles carried by solar wind interact with Earth's magnetosphere and collide with gases in the upper atmosphere, producing coloured light. NASA/JPL and the Canadian Space Agency both describe the effect as solar particles guided by Earth's magnetic field colliding with atmospheric gases, while no AA frames auroras as a manifestation of geomagnetic activity. Many northern cultures attach spiritual significance to the lights. The Canadian Encyclopedia summarizes Cree and Inuit associations with spirits dancing across the sky, while regional accounts from Canada's north record Dane, Cree, and Inuvialuit interpretations involving creator fire, spirits, communication, and ancestral presence. The aurora is not a single culturally owned entity. It appears in many living indigenous and circumpolar traditions.